Okay, so today we're going to continue our work with quadratics, max, min, vertex, domain, range, but we're going to take it a step further and actually get some good points with this function. So looking at number 7, we're going to go ahead and find a, b, and c first. So for number 7, I'm going to do all my work down here. We get a equals 1, b is going to be 2, c equals 4. Then we're going to start knocking stuff off. Okay, so our axis, we know the formula for axis is x equals opposite b over 2a. So plugging in, that would be negative 2 over 2 times 1. It's going to give us an axis at x equals negative 1. And what I'm going to do is as I get these, keep you some information, I'm going to put them on my graph. So I'm going to have a dotted line up and down through x equals negative 1. Okay. Next thing they want is the vertex. We know that to find the vertex, we plug back in. And parentheses are key. So I'm going to have negative 1 in parentheses squared plus 2 times negative 1 plus 4. You can go ahead and use your calculator here. When you do that, you're going to get 3. Okay, so we're going to have a vertex at negative 1, comma 3. I'm going to go ahead and put a dot up there at negative 1, 3, which is right there. Okay, so from here, I'm actually going to graph. So filling in that table, since our x-centry is negative 1, I want 2 values to the left of it. So I'm going to go negative 3, negative 2, and 2 values to the right, 0, 1. And then it's calculator time again. So we go on, y equals, type in the function exactly the way it looks. So x squared plus 2x plus 4. Get your table, you go second table. And then I wanted negative 3. So coming down to negative 3. When x is negative 3, my y value is going to be 7. When x is negative 2, my y value is 4. When x is 0, my y value is 4. And when x is 1, my y value is 7. So to finish this graph up, I'm going to go ahead and plot those points. So we're left 3 up 7, left 2 up 4, at 0, 4, and then 1, 7. Okay, so that's all the information we need for the graph right there. Finishing it up, I want to know is it a max or a min? So you look at it, it is going to be a min because it's a valley, it's a low point. Domain, 3 points here, it's all reals every single time. And then my y for the range is going to be y, 3, and then since we're going up, it's going to be greater than or equal to. Okay, last thing we need here, I forgot to in the beginning, is going to open up or down. Since it's positive out front, it is going to open up. Okay, so that's just putting everything together that we have learned so far and making a good graph for the quadratic.